Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Redid my charts, actually also switched exchanges that I was using for some of the data to try to get a little cleaner data. Uh, so that's why the charts are updated, so the levels might be slightly different. Right now we got back above the rotation zone on the 4 hour of Bitcoin. Also, I mentioned yesterday that we had a buy signal, short-term buy signal. I also talked about it on our pure exposure trading series. You can look for that on YouTube. I was on it for a crypto segment also. And during the regular part, I was also on it, and I talked about a Bitcoin short-term buy pattern with a target of 53.80, which we hit today. And again, that's not trading advice. I cannot offer trading advice, but it is to help people learn how to trade the market. So right now, 5,300 is the first level key support. If we did drop below 5,300, I'd start watching for a possible return to the 4,700 level. If we broke below that, 44.32, 42.38, 40.44, and then 38.58, although this is a pretty nice bottoming pattern right now. Most recent high, 59.85. So that's the next level. If we get a close above about 55.25, we'll start watching for that. I'd actually bump that up. I'd actually watch for about 56.50. If we get above 56.50, start watching for 6,000, 6,250, and then minor 6,357. Next major 6,516, so 6,500. Taking a look at the daily. So you see here, we got the rotation zone. Let me move these over. Let me align these more towards the middle. And this one, sorry about that. Align this more towards the middle. All right. So you see here the rotation zone on the daily coming up just below 6,000. So I'm going to be really focused on that 6,000 level for any rally that would at least return us to the daily rotation zone, and then we'll have to see how it reacts from there. Would not be surprised to see a quick little reaction from there, and then I'm going to be watching for a close back above that 6,000 level. Lower volume on this little rally. We're still in this consolidation, sideways consolidation pattern after this big sell-off from March 12th. So this is burning off the oversold condition by moving sideways. Also updated the charts for Ethereum. Ethereum still holding below the rotation zone so key resistance coming in about 121. Close above 121. Start watching for right around this little shelf here and this spike high right around about 134. And then we get above that. Let me move my cursor data over. We get above that. We'll start watching for 140, where we have the declining 50-period exponential moving average and the most recent swing high. Above 140, 147, and then 154 are the next levels. Now, if we don't hold this level and start selling down again, minor support coming in at 115, major support coming in about 108. Then we'd be watching for 100, 95.44, and 90.39 to the downside. Switching over to daily chart. Daily chart here. All right. So rotation zone coming in pretty much. Let me align. I'll do that later. We can see this. Coming in about 139.50. So in any stronger rally, major daily resistance 139.50. That would take us back to the rotation zone. So you see also that sell-off and then traveling sideways, trying to burn off the oversold condition. So that's going to be your major. 140 to 141 is your major level, and above that 147.32, 153.69. But it's really got to get out of this consolidation range. Again, low volume. Waiting for the next major move. So I'm going to be watching for volume coming in with the next direction. If volume follows the direction, that's really the levels, or that's the direction we'll be targeting for the breakout or breakdown. Those are all the levels we're watching for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.